So we've got here this beautiful fall off the bone, as you can see. Slow cooked, it's going to take about an hour or so. Lamb with tomato, garlic, thyme and rosemary. Really simple, really delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so look, here's our meat. Lamb, plenty of bone there, a little bit of fat, but there's nice meat on it as well. There's about 2 kg there, which is just over 4 pounds. We're going to get moving with this first. We're going to be adding lots as we get on with it, but just want to get that on the go first. So we're going to need a fairly large pot or pan there. In there I've got some oil. I'm using the sunflower oil. There's about 3 tablespoons there. We're going to drop in all of our meat, and on a medium heat we're going to just brown it for about 6 or so minutes. Okay, so you can see we've got a little bit of colour happening. Obviously nowhere near cooked yet. We've got a long, long way to go. We're now going to add a tablespoon of garlic chopped, 2 cups of onion, and then here I've got a teaspoon each salt, pepper, thyme and rosemary. Now I'm using thyme dried and rosemary dried. If you've got fresh, that would be wonderful, wouldn't it? We're going to continue now for about another 4 to 5 minutes, stirring fairly often. Fabulous. Next up we're going to add some liquid. I've got some stock here. I've got 1 litre of stock. Now you can use chicken stock or a meat stock or a vegetable stock, it's up to you. You could just do it with water if you want, but stock will give it a much nicer flavour. Okay, we're going to pop a lid on that. Medium heat, we're going to go for 1 hour. Okay, off comes the lid. Let's have a look. Beautiful. So you can see it's reduced down and the bones are really sort of being exposed. I mean, that's completely separated from the meat now, so it's nice and tender. Still got a little way to go. We're now going to add half a cup of tomato paste. That's one of those very small little sort of Tetra Pak things, you know. It's actually 135 grams. And I'm going to add some more liquid, this time just water. 3 cups of water. And again, we're going to go just a little bit longer, this time for about 7 or 8 minutes. Okay, off goes the heat, off comes the lid, steam out. That, if you ask me, is very simple and very, very tasty and beautiful. So, could you add some veg in there? Yeah, you can get some potatoes in there, celery, carrots, other spices. Maybe you can get some bay leaf in there, like a few bay. But for me, that's just a nice, easy, simple, fall off the bone lamb. I'm going to serve that with some mash, I think. And there we have it, a really lovely, beautiful stew. Like I say, fall off the bone. You can see how it is. Beautiful stuff. And delicious. Yeah, with some mash or with some boiled potatoes, something like that. Beautiful. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well, and I will see you really soon. Lots of love.
Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel. All that good stuff. Keep safe. Keep well. Lots of love.